In today's video, I'm going to show you how to modify themes in PowerPoint quickly and easily. If you want to give your presentation a fresh, professional look without redesigning every single slide, changing and customizing themes is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along, whether you're using PowerPoint for school, business, or creative projects. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use the desktop version or the web version through Office 365. Once PowerPoint is open, either create a new presentation or open an existing one where you want to modify the theme. Themes can be changed at any time, even after you've already added content to your slides. Once your presentation is open, look at the top ribbon menu and click on the Design tab. This is where all the theme options are located. As soon as you click on Design, you'll see a row of theme previews displayed across the top. These themes control your presentation's overall colors, fonts, background styles, and layout design. If you only see a few themes, don't worry. On the right side of the Themes section, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This will expand the full gallery of available themes. Now you can scroll through and see all the built-in theme options that PowerPoint provides. Take your time to hover over different themes. When you hover your mouse over a theme, PowerPoint will automatically show you a live preview on your slides. This is really helpful because you can instantly see how your entire presentation will look before actually applying the change. When you find a theme you like, simply click on it. PowerPoint will immediately apply that theme to all the slides in your presentation. You'll notice changes in colors, font styles, background designs, and sometimes layout spacing. This allows you to completely transform the visual appearance of your presentation in just one click. Now, if you want to further modify the theme, stay inside the Design tab. You'll see options for variants next to the themes. Variants allow you to adjust color schemes, fonts, effects, and background styles within the selected theme. Click on the Variants drop-down arrow to explore different color combinations and style adjustments. For example, you can click on Colors to choose a different preset color palette. If your brand uses specific colors, you can even customize the colors by selecting Customize Colors at the bottom of the list. You can also adjust fonts to match your preferred typography style, whether you want something modern, classic, or minimal. If you'd like even deeper customization, you can click on Format Background in the Design tab. This allows you to change the background to a solid color, gradient, picture, or texture. Once you make changes, you can apply them to a single slide or click Apply to All to update the entire presentation. Another powerful way to modify themes is by using Slide Master. To access this, go to the View tab and click on Slide Master. Here you can control the master layouts that affect all slides using that theme. You can adjust default fonts, placeholder positions, logo placements, and more. When you're done, click Close Master View, and your changes will apply across your presentation. Modifying themes in PowerPoint is one of the fastest ways to create a cohesive, professional presentation without manually editing each slide. Whether you're preparing a pitch deck, a school project, or a corporate report, using themes properly can save you a lot of time and effort. And that's how you modify themes in PowerPoint step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.